What's up guys, and in this video I'll be explaining what ChatGPT is, how it works, and will also show you how you can use it to make your life easy. AI is here to stay, let's embrace it. ChatGPT is a chatbox launched by OpenAI in November 2022. GPT is an abbreviation standing for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. That is a text generation deep learning model trained using data available on the internet. Okay, let me simplify this. It is used for Q&A, text summarization, machine translation, conversations, and more. The parent company, OpenAI, is an independent organization with world sponsors or donors like Elon Musk, who is also one of the founders. ChatGPT is trying to interact in a conversational way, enabling it to answer follow-up questions. It also admits its mistake, a feature that has been uninstalled in most human beings. It also challenges incorrect premises and rejects inappropriate requests. ChatGPT has been a hit since its launch in November last year. People are using it to get answers to small and big questions like college essays, fictional stories, and even things like job application letters. The answers will be fluently written, though they might be wrong sometimes. It uses information on the internet, whether it's right or wrong. Okay, enough with the background information. Let's check out our ChatGPT and see for ourselves. So you go to chat.openai.com and then you log in, you put all your details, you log in, and then you'll be asked to verify your phone number and your email address as well, and then you do all that. And then once you're done with everything, you see a dashboard like this. So this is our ChatGPT where we do the questions and the chatting with our AI. So here you can see here there's a light mode and the dark mode. This is the dark mode. And if you want to change to the light mode, you just come here and you click. So this is the light mode. It's a little bit difficult when you have eye issues. So I'll switch back to the dark mode. All right, and then these are the examples. So here it says explain quantum computing in simple terms. So these are examples of questions you can ask. And then here it says quote any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. So that's another example of a question you can ask. And this one, how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? All right, and then what is its capabilities? So it can remember what you said earlier in the conversation as you be chatting with our AI. And then it also allows users to provide follow-up corrections, and it's trained to decline inappropriate requests. And then it also has limitations. This is an AI, so obviously it will be having its limitations. So the first one that says may occasionally generate incorrect information. So like I said before, that it uses information on the internet. No matter if the information is wrong or not, it will just use that information. So you see that as you be using it, you can get incorrect information. It then may occasionally produce harmful distractions or biased content. This is because it will be using the content that is already there on the internet. So on the internet, you can get both good content and harmful content. And then here, the last one, it says limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So you see, I'll put a question that will require current values, and then it will actually tell you that it does not have any knowledge of things that happened after 2021. Okay, so if you want now to ask anything, you go here, and then you just type, I'll type, who are you? And then you press enter. So sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Sometimes it all depends with the kind of question and also your internet connection, etc., etc. So here, if you see here where it says stop generating, if it's taking too long, you can just come here and click on stop generating, and it will pause them and it will give you the chance to type another question. All right. Okay. So here it says that I am a language model trained by OpenAI called ChatGPT. I'm designed to respond to text-based prompts with natural language text. Is there something else you would like to know or talk about? Okay. So you can just stop generating. As you can see, it's still generating. Okay. It's done now. All right. Another question. Let me ask, where are you from? Where are you based? Where are you based? And then you press enter. After every question, you just press enter. Okay, so it says that I am a computer program and do not have a physical location. My code and data are stored on servers that are maintained by OpenAI is still generating, so you can keep on waiting for the full answer. Or if you have had what you're looking for, you can come here and say stop generating. All right, and then let's try another a question that is a different. Let's say give me a recipe for a fruit cake. Let's try this one. So you're being given all the ingredients and also the instructions. So you can see how useful it is. It's still going. So as I said before, you can basically do a lot of things with this AI. All right, okay, our recipe is done. So we have the ingredients and then we also have all the instructions. All right, so as you can see, it's not limited only on the tech side. You can do cooking, you can ask cooking questions, you can ask any question you can think of. All right. Okay. Now let's ask for something that will require current events. Let's say, how much is Bitcoin today? Is one Bitcoin today? Just to see if it is the current information. Remember, we saw on the limitations. Okay. So as you can see, it says, I am sorry. Is a language model. My knowledge is based on the data that was available to me during my last training, which was on 2021. And I don't have access to real-time information. The price of Bitcoin can fluctuate greatly from day to day, so it would be best to check a reputable financial news source for the most up-to-date price. So you see, if it does not know, it will tell you. It's honest. It will tell you exactly that it does not know. All right, and then maybe one more question. Let's say, how can I make money in 2022? In 2022, 2023. I'm still stuck in 2022. All right, let's see. So here we have our answer. So we are being given a lot of ideas, investing in stock, bonds, blah, 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 starting a business or becoming an entrepreneur, real estate, cryptocurrency, online courses. So this chat AI appears, it's like you're talking to an actual person. You're talking to a collection of experts on different fields of knowledge, you see. So it's very useful. So it says on the conclusion, it's important to remember that making money requires effort, dedication, and a bit of smart decision making. The best way to make money would depend on your individual skills, interests, and financial situation. It's a good idea to research different options and consult with a financial advisor before making any big decisions. So as you can see, it's not just the information that it copies and pastes into its portal. It also gives you sort of like advice as well, as you can see here. All right, okay. So I think we have seen how it replies. All right, okay, and then let's just try one more thing. Let's say, are you a fool? Are you a fool? And see its response. All right, okay, so it says, I'm sorry if my previous response did not meet your expectations. So you see, it's actually very polite. It's very polite when it's communicating. It's very polite. If it was a person, we were probably going to start a fight right now, but it's actually apologizing without doing anything. So this is our chat GPT for you. And then once you're done now, you can clear the conversation. Here where it says confirm, clear conversation, you can just click here and then everything will be deleted. So this is it, guys. This is the future. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this application, ChatGPT. Personally, I am impressed. And as always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit that bell so that you get a notification the moment we post another video. My name is the Duke of Tech. See you on the next one.